day 9 ng volunteer month. So today, ang gusto kong gawin mo, try to call someone na you think really helped you. Yung people na, or probably mga taong kailangan ng tulong, or like need to listen from you. Or probably can advise something, or probably you can just say hi to them, kamustahin sila if they're having trouble, if they're having challenges, or kung a simple greetings saying na na-miss mo sila, or naisip mo sila. So call someone, contact them, send them a sweet message, tell them how important they are to you.